Hey, plant pals, Mike the Gardener. And today's video is a taste test of the sweet chocolate bell pepper. One of the smaller ones, actually very tiny ones, ripened first. Well, the bigger ones, of course, taking longer to ripen. The normal sized ones. So I thought I'd give the little mutant one a taste test because I'm not going to let it go to waste. I think it's kind of cool. So why not be adventurous and give it a little taste test? See how it's tiny this is why it's called a sweet chocolate bell pepper, because it looks like a piece of chocolate. I mean, of course, the big one, it looks like a big piece of chocolate, but this is like a little teeny one, and you can see it's already starting to ripen into the red. And I want to taste it while it's in the chocolate brown stage. I don't want it to turn red yet, so I'm just gonna cut a little piece off, give it a taste. Might save the seeds. I don't know. I got to see how they look inside. I'm not sure, but I have three other full size peppers. It's actually a smaller variety of pepper, so the pepper should only be like about 3 inches by it's like trying to think of a good size. I'll use this peroxide ball here. It should the peppers usually about this big, and so you can see this is way smaller than the normal ones. So, and I've grown one that's like I got one on there right now that's like this big. Well, two of them that are pretty big, and then the other ones are bigger than this, but but it was all an experiment. That's why I'm having fun with it, because I had no idea whether I could grow full size bell peppers in my Zim Who unit, but apparently I can, and I'm excited about it. So I'm excited to get this, cut the little piece off of this, give it a taste test, and see. You can see there's the inside. The inside, when it gets ripe, fully ripe, turns like a bright red, red like this, inside and out. But yeah, oops, there's the top. I had it upside down. That's the bottom. That's the top. It was hanging off the branch there. All right, so I'm gonna give this little piece a taste and see if it's any good. It smells good. It smells kind of like it has heat, which it's not supposed to. But sometimes if you grow things hydroponically, they get heat. A little trace. Oh wow, that is really good. It's like and it's not even like I said, it's not even like the full ripeness. It's much sweeter than a green bell pepper. No heat at all, like zero. Um, it has a, it's hard to explain. It's very sugary taste to it, like candy. It's very good. Hmm, that's excellent. I'm gonna cut it in half to see if I see. Well, I'm gonna cut a piece off for my wife, so she can taste it. And I'm gonna cut it open to see if there are actually even any seeds in here, which I kind of doubt because it's so small. But there might be a couple small seeds in here. I don't want to cut the seeds. Let me try to cut around it. Let's set that down for a second. No, there's not even any seeds in here. Well, little baby things in there, but I'm not going to bother with it. But yeah, so that was my first taste of my experiment with the sweet chocolate bell pepper. It's kind of cool that I was able to get any peppers on there. I was actually excited. If I would have got just that thing there, I would have been pleased, because it kind of would just, I'd have to go back to the lab and figure out how to adjust, to get it to grow full size, like maybe just only growing one, because I got two in there, just only one plant, or growing it in a different, like, cracky system with a 4-inch net cup or something, and figuring out from there. But this actually worked out really great. So in the future, when the other large size peppers, because they're just starting to get the tiniest blush of brown on them, they're still green, but when they get to be fully chocolate brown, like this, be that color, I will harvest them off and then show you the inside, how they look. And then of course we'll let one get fully red ripe, and then save the seeds from it and try it at its full ripeness. I'm kind of tempted to try one green, but everybody knows what a green bell pepper tastes like. It's just not that exciting to me. I wanted to taste it at its brown stage, and then I'll taste it at its fully ripened red stage, see if it gets even sweeter. Because right now it's super sweet. So yeah, that's really exciting. All right. Any comments, questions in the comment section? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.